Today we're comparing two cameras that approach content creation in very different ways, the Insta360 X5 and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Both are great tools for creators, but they shine in slightly different areas. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one suits your workflow, your creative style, and your everyday needs. Let's start with the basics. The Osmo Pocket 3 is a straightforward 4K wide-angle camera, simple, reliable, and great for high-quality clips of your daily life, travels, or vlogs. The Insta360 X5, on the other hand, is a flagship 360 camera designed for creators who want maximum flexibility. It captures everything around you, giving you full freedom to reframe your shots later, explore multiple perspectives, and produce footage that would be impossible with a traditional camera. So one is about clarity and simplicity, the other is about versatility and creativity. The differences show up right away in the hardware. The X5 records 8K 360 video, offers double lenses, and packs advanced software tools for editing and reframing. The Osmo Pocket 3 captures 4K single-lens footage, supports face tracking, and prioritizes battery life and ease of use. But when it comes to face tracking, there's an important difference. While X5 lets you create your tracking shot in post, the Pocket 3 generates the effect in-camera. Both methods have their advantages and disadvantages. With the Pocket 3, the effect is baked into the footage once you hit record and you don't have further options to modify it, but on the flip side, you won't need to spend time editing it afterwards. But if you prefer this method, after Winter Update, the X5 also supports such a tracking option. It allows you to track any subject in the scene, not only the selfie stick holder. In this case, these camera movements will be baked into the video, just as if you were shooting with the Pocket 3. While you can record with a 360 backup option, saving both the full 360 video and the reframed version simultaneously. One of the biggest challenges with standard cameras, including the Osmo Pocket 3, is the limited field of view. No matter how wide the lens is, you still have to point it in the right direction. That means, if something cool happens off camera or your framing is just a little off, you lose the moment. The X5 solves this in several ways. Because the X5 records full 360 footage, it captures everything around you at all times. During editing, you can choose your angle, change viewpoints, or track yourself or your friends. This is incredibly helpful where you don't want to worry about perfect framing. Another advantage of 360 capture is the invisible selfie stick. The X5 automatically removes the stick from the shot, creating a hovering third-person perspective that looks like it was filmed by a drone. With the Osmo Pocket 3, this isn't possible. You'll always see the stick or your hand in the frame, unless you switch to a narrower field of view, in which case you lose the sense of your surroundings. While both cameras offer stabilization, the X5 takes it further. Even if the camera rotates a full 360 around its axis, the horizon remains perfectly level. Even if the visuals look great, noisy audio can ruin an otherwise solid clip, or you'll need to replace the audio entirely. The Osmo Pocket 3 performs reasonably well, but in harsher wind conditions, it struggles. The X5 addresses this with a built-in wind guard and intelligent wind reduction algorithms. If you're interested in the X5's audio capabilities, check out my dedicated audio guide in the top right corner. But for now, let's look at a quick comparison of both cameras under the same conditions.
The results will be fully clear to me only in post-production, but as you're watching this video, you should already hear the differences if there are any. I set the X5 to voice enhancement mode, which is the most powerful of its built-in noise reduction options. Of course, there are many reasons to record audio directly with the camera, but now I'm focusing on dialogue and how natural human voice sounds on each device. The results will be fully clear to me only in post-production, but as you're watching this video, you should already hear the differences if there are any. I set the X5 to voice enhancement mode, which is the most powerful of its built-in noise reduction options. Of course, there are many reasons to record audio directly with the camera, but now I'm focusing on dialogue and how natural human voice sounds on each device.
As you can see, the Osmo Pocket 3 works nicely for straightforward vlogging. It's simple, easy to operate, and produces sharp footage. But when you want something more unique, more dynamic, or more expressive, it hits its limits. The X5 expands the creative possibilities dramatically through two major advantages. The X5 includes access to features like shot lab templates and countless cinematic presets. These automated tools let anyone create complex, visually stunning clips with little editing experience. In the Insta360 app, the X5 integrates with powerful AI that can track subjects, automatically reframe shots, apply effects, and streamline your entire workflow. While the Osmo Pocket 3 offers basic editing support, it doesn't come close to this level of automation or creative depth. Traditional cameras, including the Osmo Pocket 3 or older 360 cameras, have one major weakness. If the lens cracks or scratches, repairs can be expensive and time-consuming. The X5 approaches this differently with a replaceable lens system. You can swap lenses on the spot, no specialist tools, no need to send the camera in for repair. This makes the X5 far more durable for travel or any environment where accidents can happen. Another practical difference, the X5 includes a larger battery, giving you longer shooting times and faster charging than the Osmo Pocket 3. And last but not least, the X5 is fully waterproof up to 49 feet right out of the box. The Osmo Pocket 3, however, is only splash resistant without extra accessories. If you plan to shoot in the water or anywhere wet, the X5 gives you far more confidence. So if you want simple, straightforward, high-quality 4K video for everyday use or basic vlogging, the Osmo Pocket 3 is an excellent choice. You can also record in log for advanced color grading, and this profile is easy to match with other cameras in the same project. But if you want maximum creative freedom, the ability to capture everything around you, drone-like third-person shots, advanced stabilization, better audio, swappable lenses, deeper editing tools, and rugged durability, then the Insta360 X5 is the far more versatile and powerful tool. And as you can see in all my tutorials and reviews, even though I usually shoot in the standard color profile, it still blends well with footage from other cameras.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this short comparison helpful to decide which camera fits your style. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more 360 content, tutorials and gear reviews, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.